Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unmute someone's message in Grindr. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Grindr application. Click on the inbox option in the bottom section of your screen. Now tap and hold on the message that was muted before. Click on the bell icon in the top section of your screen. So that is how you can unmute someone's message in Grindr. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.